Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at something interesting. I'm gonna show you how to share your phone screen with Zoom client. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have opened my Zoom client and I'm gonna start a new meeting here.
Recording in progress.
There you go. So I've started a meeting here, and if I wanted to share my phone screen, all I have to do is click on share screen and select iPhone and iPad option here and click on share, and right away it asks a plugin is required to share, so I'm going to install the plugin. All right, once you have done that, there are instructions on how to connect an iPhone or an iPad. So the first instruction is to connect to Wi-Fi network that is same as this PC, and then to select on screen mirroring and select Zoom Leo, which is of course the name of my system. So all I'm going to do is I'm gonna hover over to my phone and select screen mirroring and select Zoom Leo. There you go. I've got my screen mirroring setup in my phone. So those who don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show it once again. So all you have to do is swipe down and select the screen mirroring option here, and that is it. There you go. You can share your screen and you can make your presentations from your phone through a Zoom call. This is fantastic, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and click on stop share. It's a pretty short video, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll be updating some more video content regarding Zoom in the following weeks. So until I meet you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys.